Palace's cat. He has the densest fur of any cat in the world. Nonetheless, to keep warm, he must catch up to 5 rodents a day. Top of the menu are voles and gerbils. Relative to body size, Palace's cats have one of the shortest legs of any cat. And that helps by giving them a low profile when stalking. But it's not so good for wading through deep snow. Never mind, there are plenty more. He just needs to stay focused. Unfortunately, the longer he's out in the snow, the colder his paws become. And he has only one way to get the blood circulating again. That could be one shake too many. Only one hunt in 3 by a Palace's cat is successful. No wonder he has the reputation of being the grumpiest cat in the world.